We got here Pursuit Dark Horse. Oh yeah. Says I believe the same 108 Power Plus that's in the Challenger I rode. It's feeling just about as comfy as that Challenger did. Maybe just a slightly different seating position, little bit different fairing. So we'll see if we really notice any differences. I gotta ride that Challenger Elite, man. That thing is sexy. Man, this thing is comfy, bro. It's such a natural seating position. I mean, you can tell this thing was built for long distance immediately. It just feels right. Just like the other big Indians, man. Already can't really even feel the weight once you're moving. Obviously, sitting still and coming to a stop, slowing down, you can feel it, but... Oh, not the stall. I was trying to go easy on the throttle. And it didn't work for me. Second stall today. That's alright. We just vibing, you know? Sometimes you're gonna stall out when you're just vibing. Man, I mean, I'm getting hit by some wind right now. Like, it's pretty windy out here right now, and this bike is just eating it. Absolutely no problem whatsoever. I gotta figure out what this button over here does. I don't know what this thing does. Is that the... Okay, it's not. I don't think it's changing the mode. I can't see... Oh, that's the windshield button. Duh. Wow. Okay. Yeah, there's a little more wind on my helmet. We're gonna put that thing back up. Needs that wind protection up top. Yeah, she moves out. Most definitely moves out. I mean, this thing is as cozy as it gets. Yeah, it's safe to say I'm gonna need me one of these big old baggers. Absolutely eats up the bumps. Absolutely no problems to be had in that department. See how she turns. Oh yes. Oh yes. Very nice. You just apply a little bit of pressure to the handlebars in either direction and she goes where you want her to go. It's actually kind of crazy how easy it is to flick these big ass bikes back and forth. Phenomenal work out of the Indian engineers. Yeah, I could see myself cruising on one of these bad boys for a couple hours, few hours. I mean, maybe even a long road trip. Yeah, that sounds good. Feels good. Looks good. I mean, this thing is all murdered out. Good mirrors on it. Good old self-canceling turn signals. Gotta love those. Turns wonderfully. The 108 Power Plus absolutely eats. I mean, this thing will get you up to speed absolutely no problem whatsoever. Yeah, I gotta try out one of those elite models with that 112 Power Plus, because I mean, this thing pulls. Yeah, buddy. Not much to say here, man. I mean, aside from what I've had to say about all the other Indians, this bike feels kind of similar to the Challenger. I can't really tell exactly what's different about it. I mean, maybe a slightly different seating position. But this one has the big passenger seat with the backrest. I think that's kind of the difference between the Challenger and the Pursuit, but aside from that, I really don't know. So as always, all the info on the bike will be provided by the link in the description to the Indian Motorcycle website. I'm just here to ride and vibe out, you feel me? Let you know how I feel about the bikes as best I can. I mean, I obviously don't have too much to say about them, but tell you what I can. Yeah, that first gear just hits a little hard for a brother like me. It's a lot of power. Beautiful day though. Excellent day for a demo days event. Little on the chilly side. Could be a little warmer, but we got sun. And on a 60-degree day, we'll take that sun for sure. That'll just about do it for the Pursuit Dark Horse. Look at all these folks waiting to ride a bike. I mean, these bikes are most definitely getting used today. Plenty of people trying to ride these bikes, man. Can't blame them. Indian motorcycles are awesome. What's the difference between this and a Challenger? Okay, so the Pursuit is basically a Challenger just with more on it? Okay. Okay. Nice. Well, that clears that up. The Pursuit is essentially a Challenger, but with the touring package. So the Challenger is just a, more standard bagger version. Doesn't have the big box on the back with the backrest for the passenger. And it makes sense why they felt so similar. But we're going to have to try out the Challenger Elite. Probably not even going to worry about the Pursuit Elite because, I mean, I just rode the Pursuit. But thanks for checking this one out, folks. We'll see you in the next one. Y'all have a good one.